My name is Nisha and I like to bake with millets. All my baking is vegan and plant-based and gluten-free. Today I have 3 items. I have a choco chunk cookie made of 100% millet. I have a plant-based and gluten-free bread made out of jowar, foxtail and flax seeds. I also do seeded version of this. And I have millet muffins which are made of seeds and a combination of seeds as a good breakfast alternative. I also do a range of artisan breads like sourdough and I do them in different flavors. I have a seeded version, an olive version, a burnt garlic and cheese version and different types. I keep adding things to my menu but everything is millet based and plant based. And I like to work mostly around European style baking and bringing it to India and bringing a change in the baking scene through that sense. I came in this field because I have a passion for baking. I really enjoy it. It's really fun and I really like to see how ingredients can work together to create something very healthy and beautiful. And I really would like to bake things that are enjoyable by people but not just that but also healthy. I felt like today was a good platform along with a lot of other talented women entrepreneurs to talk about my product and spread the word about millet and healthy baking and how that can also be tasty and healthy at the same time. Do home baking, so you can either contact me directly or you can get in touch with me through Instagram. I'm available at my username at nisha_der on Instagram.